Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Nike, full guide step by step clearly. Creating a budget with Nike starts with understanding your financial goals. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. List all your sources of income. Next, identify your fixed expenses each month. Include rent, utilities, groceries, and any subscriptions. Now, take a look at your discretionary spending. This may include dining out, entertainment, and shopping. Allocate a specific amount for your Nike spending. Consider what products you're interested in purchasing. Set limits to ensure you don't overspend. Create a separate fund if needed for Nike purchases. You can track your spending with a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet. Next, prioritize your purchases based on necessity versus desire. Be aware of seasonal sales and promotions from Nike. Plan your purchases around these sales to maximize savings. Create a shopping list and stick to it when you shop. Regularly review your budget to adjust for any changes in income or expenses. Finally, celebrate your achievements when you stay within your budget. This keeps you motivated to continue smart spending habits with Nike. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.